In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view saved addresses on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook browser and select the three-dotted icon up at the top right, and then select where it says passwords and autofill, and select where it says addresses and more. Any addresses should appear down here. If you added one, this is how you would do it. Just would type in this information in here and then select save. If you wanted to remove them, you could just select the little three-dot icon next to the address and select delete. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.